Gracias, amigos. Bienvenidos. Somos el Mariachi Cobre. Thank you so much for joining us, everybody. Good morning. We are Mariachi Cobre, and we've been performing here at Epcot now for almost 40 years, since the opening day of Epcot, and that is all because of you. So again, thank you for being here. We started out this set with a wonderful, Mexican paso doble entitled El Sopilote Mojado. We're going to continue now with a wonderful composition written in the 1960s by the great Rubén Fuentes. This is his beautiful melody, La Viquina.
Woo!
Gracias, amigos. And it looks like we're celebrating a special anniversary. 12 years? 12 years! All right, aplausos, aplausos. Muy bien. Come on, bring up the whole family here. And then I saw another set of purple buttons. Do they leave? Do we have any other anniversaries? Newlyweds, honeymoons? Okay. So, oh, wait. Graduated. Oh, just graduated. All right, congratulations. Aplausos. Muy bien. Felicidades. For our anniversary couple, we're going to dedicate to them a wonderful bolero, a love song, just for you. This is entitled Si Nos Deja. Amigos, it's always good to see returning friends that we haven't seen in a while. You hear that? Everybody, this is Vicky, and she's been coming to see the group for years, and we haven't seen her in probably at least 4 or 5 years, and she would always dance this wonderful song. And so we're going to dedicate this abridged version of a wonderful cumbia. If you feel like dancing or clapping along with this one, this is called La Cachita. All right, where's the birthday that's passing by? All right, come on over, come on. All right, what's your name, man? Scott, everybody, Scott's birthday! Right up front, Scott. Right up there. ¿Alguien más? Do we have any other birthdays? Cumpleaños? All right. Nobody else? Nobody else? Oh, right over here. All right, muy bien. What's your name, dude? Caden? All right, Caden's birthday. Come on, Caden. Right up there. Any other birthdays? Right over here? All right. All right, Matt. Felicidades, everybody. Matt's birthday. And another. Come on over. Let's bring the cart though. Let's bring the cart in just a little bit. And if we can ask all of our friends on this side, if we can actually come in this way, if we can scoot in just past this line right over here, so we can leave some room for people to pass by behind you. What's your name? Daniel's birthday. All right. Muy bien. Felicidades. And another one. Come on. Come on over. What's your name? Tess. All right, Tess. Right up here. Tess's birthday. Let's have a round of applause for all of our birthdays. Felicidades. We're going to sing to them a wonderful traditional piece, Las Mañanitas, and after that, everybody help us sing Happy Birthday.
que cantaba el rey David, hoy por ser día de tu santo, te las cantamos aquí.
Thank you for visiting Epcot. At this time, boarding groups for Guardians of the Galaxy Worldwide are full. We plan to reopen the virtual queue at 1 p.m. to fill additional boarding groups. To check the status of the virtual queue, please use the My Disney Experience app or request the assistance of a team located throughout the park.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, amigos, for coming and joining Mariachi Cobre. Again, it is because of you that we have been here since opening day of the park, so thank you. We have several more shows coming throughout the remainder of the day. We hope to see you once again. We're going to leave you now with the anthem of mariachis across the globe, the very beautiful Son de la Negra. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us. Gracias, and we'll see you later. Enjoy Epcot. Gracias.
Pero no me digas cuando así me dijiste a mí, por eso vivo penando. Rebozo de seda que le trae que le
Gracias, amigos. Enjoy Epcot. Thank you. Adiós. Gracias.